Okay. Hello, my noble band of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai coming at you live with in-depth tasting video where I taste more of this mango chainsaw liquid death flavored sparkling water. Hmm. 4 grams of sugar, 10 milligrams of salt. So, even though it says liquid death, it's actually rather healthy for you. At only 10 milligrams of salt, and total carbs is 4 grams, and that's only from the sugar, and 20 calories a can. Could be worse. So, all in all, it's not that bad. It's just it doesn't have a very intense mango flavor. It's not a very syrupy flavor. It is a much more like subdued, natural mango flavor. I don't know. I'm a little on the fence about this one. These may end up being targets for the BB. These may not end up being targets for the pellet rifle. We shall see. I'm out. Peace. Plus, I just literally chugged an RC Cola before this, so that may be kind of messing my taste buds up. So, I don't know. It definitely encourages belching, I'll tell you that for nothing. I'll have to let y'all know. I'm out. Peace.